Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name Fatima Zarabia. I will present about teaching method and technique. I am from group 3 and detailed discussion. 1. The grammar and translation method. 2. Direct method. 3. Audiolingual method. And 4. Silent way. Okay, the grammar and translate method. The grammar and translate method is not new. It has had different names, but it has been used by language teachers for many years. At one time, it was called an classical method since it was first used in the teaching of the classical language Latin and Greek. Earlier in this century, this method was used for the purpose of helping students read and appreciate foreign language literature. The history of grammar translator, the nation of grammar translation method, characteristic of grammar translation method, and technique of grammar translation method, and advance and dispense of grammar translation method. Direct method. It was established in England around 1900 and contrasts with the grammar translation method and other traditional approaches, as well as with C.G. Dixon bilingual method. It was adopted by in the international language schools such as Berlin, Leeds, France, and Equal. Many of the language department of the Foreign Service Institute of U.S. State Department in 2020. The direct methods aim to create an immersive and direct learning experience in the target language. Audiolingual method. The method was popular in the 1915 and 1916 but has since lost popularity with the emergence of more varied language teaching approaches. Concept of audiolingual method. Procedure of audiolingual method. Teaching speaking through the audiolingual method. Procedure of teaching and learning speaking through audiolingual method. And advance of using audiolingual method and dispense of using audiolingual method. Silent way. The silent way method is a unique approach to language teaching that incorporates cognitive, physiological, and linguistic elements. The primary technique in this method is the use silence as the main tool in learning. In a silent way classroom, the teacher offers minimal assistance and giving direct answer to students. Overall, the techniques of the silent way embrace a student current approach and provide a solid foundation for effective and sustainable language learning. Example. The teacher showed the learner a small red container lot and a bigger blue one and say, "The blue one is bigger than the red one." The learner repeated this. The teacher then substituted, then wrote to product other model, and finally encouraged the learner to produce their own conversion. That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.